Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nushahira binti Muhammad Shukri. Today I would like to present my individual project for operating system, which is web service using Apache 2. In this project, I install and configure Apache 2 on the Debian 11 Linux server. The web server was configured to host a simple web page that could only be accessed through an Ethernet network by a Linux client. This project demonstrates how a basic web service can be deployed in a secure virtual environment. The objectives of this project are: first, to install Apache 2 on Debian 11; second, to configure the Apache web server correctly; third, to create and deploy a simple HTML web page; next, to restrict access that only devices in the internet network can access the web server; finally, to verify that the client can communicate successfully with the server. The first step was preparing the server. I update the package repository using the sudo apt update command. This ensures the system retrieves the latest package information. After that, I install Apache 2 using sudo apt install -y. This command installs Apache 2 together with all required dependencies, allowing the web server to operate properly. After the installation, I configure Apache. First, I change the listening port from listen 18 to listen 192.168.1.254 18. Then I modified the virtual host configuration by changing Arturis virtual host 18 to virtual host 192.168.1.254 18. This change ensures that the web server only accepts requests from the Ethernet network, making the setup more secure. Next, I create a simple HTML web page. I edit the default index.html file inside the Apache document root directory and replace the default page with a custom web page containing a welcome message. This allows users to see my own web page instead of the default Apache page when accessing the server. After completing the configuration, I restart Apache using the sudo systemctl restart Apache 2 command. Then I check the service status using sudo systemctl status Apache 2 to make sure the service was running successfully. I also verified that Apache was listening on 192.168.1.254 18 and confirmed that the virtual host configuration matched the internal IP address. Finally, I accessed the web page from the Linux client and the web page was displayed successfully. This showed the communication between the client and server was successful. In conclusion, the Apache 2 web server was successfully installed and configured on Debian 11. The custom web page was deployed successfully, and all testing confirmed that the web service was working correctly. The client was able to access the web page through the internal network, proving that the project objective was achieved. Thank you for your attention. That's all from me. Thank you.